JJ's story. Dad.
Okay. So, I went to 7-Eleven yesterday, unexpectedly, to get my slurp on. Okay, sounds like a good day, right? Getting your slurp on, nothing's wrong with that. Yeah, I walk out, there's a shady nigga on the side of the building. Okay? At first I'm like, oh, alright, no eye contact, right? Don't piss him off. So I ended up, walking by him and he goes, yo, my little nigga. And I was like, whoa, I'm a nigga? And he goes, yeah, I can tell by your swag. So he's selling CDs. So he's like, yo, buy one. He's like, I can tell by your swag you like this. And I was like, spit for me. So he starts spitting, right? And as he's spitting, people are walking out of 7-Eleven and they're like, looking at us, right? Right now I'm like, oh man, I'm fucked. So then he's like, yo, $5. Yeah, this is all real, alright?
And he actually called him a little
You can't make
nigga.
this shit up. Yeah, everything I said so far is absolutely true. So, so as I'm walking out, as we're sitting there, he's spitting, and he's like, yo, $5. I was like, nah, man, I only got 3. But what I didn't know is that I only had 1, and I had a 20 right next to it. So I pull out my wallet to give him $1 or $3. I only gave him $1. He goes, oh, I got change for that 20. I said, nah. I was like, I'm gonna pay you $1. You're gonna give me that. He goes, okay. How do you hustle a nigga on the side of 7-Eleven when you have a Slurpee? That's me. I just did that yesterday.
Oh my god.
Yours isn't fun, man. I can see myself in that one.